Hi everybody, it's your boy DJ Nana. Today I have a different type of video for you. Today we'll be doing a tutorial video on the Cold Spark from SHEHDS. SHEHDS is a lighting company that sells various type of lighting and cold sparks. So this is a 650 watts cold sparks machine that you can use indoor and outdoors. I will be showing you what's included in the package. Power cord, DMX cable, remote control, and the manual. Very easy to read, index, very easy. So all you need. Actually, you also have a spare fuse if you ever burnt yours. And of course, we have the cold spark machine. Take a good look at it. Next up, we're going to talk about the power and the specs. This machine is 650 watts. 6 amps at 110 volts and 3 amps at 220 volts. The sparkle height, when you use it high 1, high 2, or high 3, it's from 3 to 16 feet high, and it's also adjustable. So now we're going to talk about the functions of this machine. You have filters on each side, easy to remove and clean it. You can blow it off. 2 handles each side. I will definitely get a case or a bag for this. And on the top, this is the cover. You can open it and put your cold sparks powder in there. And now let's talk about the back side. In the back, you have your fan. You have a nice backlit screen with multifunctional keys. You have a dual DMX in and out, dual power, also on and off. The duration to operate this machine, it's all preference. They say indoor 8 to 10 minutes and outdoor 6 to 8 minutes. And then, like I said, you decide how long you use it and go from there. The total weight is about 13 pounds. Very easy to carry and travel. This machine can be linked up to 6 units. This sparkle machine and the cold spark power that you use, it's cold flamed, it's very safe and environmental friendly. It's no flame, just to remember. You can actually put your hand or the paper on the sparks, it will not light up. Next up, we're going to talk about the remote control. Very simple, self-explanatory. Heat on and heat off. As I said, you need 3 minutes to heat this thing, 560 degrees up to 620 degrees Celsius. And then you have powers up top. In the sparkle height, you have high 1, high 2, and high 3. So low, medium, and high. And then you have stop and clean. You press this thing once, it will stop. If you press stop and hold for 5 seconds, it will actually clear the material for 30 seconds. To program the remote control, you have to press and hold the power button for 1 second. You also have to have this button slide downwards. And now I press the heat on to heat up the machine 3 minutes. So once the ready light's steady on, then I can use the machine. I don't know if you can see. Right now we're at 391.94, and it's going up from there. Once we reach a temperature of 560 degrees Celsius and up, the ready light should come on. So it looks like we're ready to go. The ready light steady on. We are gonna put this thing to test right now. So we're gonna try high 1, high 2, and a high 3. There we go. That's high 1. Then of course I press stop. I'm gonna do high 1 again and show you guys how safe this thing is. It's not harmful, doesn't do nothing to you. Next up we got high 2. That's high 2. And of course the last option is high 3. Finally, for the applications or scenarios, or in other words, where you should use it. So as a wedding DJ, it's very popular. I have got so many requests. I did not own one up to this point. So you can use this machine at weddings, corporate, Sweet 16, quinceañera, nightclubs, concerts, you name it. Even I see clients use it with photo booths, especially 360 photo booths. It's amazing. So clients love this, and also you can use it additionally with Dancing in the Clouds. So as you know, you can use it for anything. And finally, this is a great upsell for your clients. And what's the most important thing, before you upsell this to your clients, contact your venue, make sure it can be used. Once again, DJ Nana, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. There's more to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.